omelette Pok-Coy mustard. Do you want it?
I want
Yes, let's go.
Yay!
Yummy!
Let's go. Assalamu'alaikum, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, Miss Tari. My name is Meymey. I am from 3rd grade Anaja. Hello, friends. We back again in my channel, Channel Malaysia. Today we gonna make omelette mustard Pok-Coy. Wow! I'm so excited. I want to try this omelette Pok-Coy mustard recipe from my school. It must be delicious, friends. Yummy! This is my Pok-Coy mustard. It looks like healthy and fresh, friends. This my Pok-Coy mustard is from Harvest School. Because it's still pandemic, so we harvest Pok-Coy mustard in school online. But we will cook it in each home, friends. Okay, let's go started. But before we start, we have forget something. We forget the ingredient. What are you doing? I want to cook in omelette Pok-Coy mustard. You want it?
I want it.
Yay, let's go. Cook it together.
Let's go. With a knife.
Yes. The ingredients are. Do you know what this is, Ate?
Pok-Coy mustard.
Yes. Okay. How about this? Yes. 2 eggs. How many eggs there are? 2. Yes. And do you know what is this?
Onion.
Of course, you can call onion, but you can call it shallot. How many shallots there are?
12.
Yes, 4 shallots. And do you know what this is?
This is sausage.
No, it's a garlic. 2 garlics. What? What is this? Onion. No, this is a leek. 2 leeks. And then, do you know what is this?
Salt.
Yes, this is a salt, friends. And this is the last one. Do you know what is this?
Oil.
Yes, it's Mahathir. Before we start, we have to say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start cooking, friends. Mahathir.
Let's go.
Mahathir, give the salt. Okay, salt. Yeah. What is taste of salt look like?
Salty.
Yes. Okay, let's cook it. Just a little. It looks so delicious, Mahathir.
Yeah.
Now let's cook it in the pan. Okay. What do you open that?
Don't touch them.
Yes, because it's hot.
That is onion.
Yes, it's got to be.
omelette.
Yes, omelette. Pok-Coy mustard. Yeah. Delicious. I want to eat it. You want to eat it?
Yeah.
Yes, it's so yummy.
Omelettes are healthy.
Yes, because there's some leek, there's some vegetables and proteins like egg. This is vitamins. Yeah, you want to eat Mahathir?
Me.
Okay. Well, it's already. Let's put them into the plate again.
Oh, it's already.
First we use, and then we put into the plate.
Daddy.
The house. One is for me, one is for Ade, one is for Mama, and one more is for Papa.
I can reach that knife.
Why? You don't need this knife because it's dangerous. Use a plastic knife.
I want to cut them.
Yes. Okay, your turn to cut. I help you. Yay! One for me, one for Mahathir, one for Mommy, and one for Daddy.
Papa suka.
This is my omelette Pok-Coy mustard. It looks so delicious. You want to eat it, Adik? Okay, that is my activity made omelette Pok-Coy mustard. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, Adik? Yay! But first, click the button first. Yeah, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yay! We eat grain first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Barakana fima razaqana wa qina azabannar. Amin. Let's go eat. You can eat yourself. Yeah. It's so yummy, Mahathir.
Yeah, yummy.
Yes, you like my omelette Pok-Coy mustard? Mahathir, do you know omelette Pok-Coy mustard is healthy food or junk food?
Healthy food.
Yes, that's right. Alhamdulillah, it's empty.
Alhamdulillah, it's empty.
That was very yummy.
I'm eating yummy.
Okay, see you again in my YouTube channel. I am Meymey, and this is is Mahathir. Bye. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.